Deep within the earth, hidden beneath layers of rock and time, lie secrets of a lost world. These secrets are not just relics of the past, but keys to understanding the very fabric of our planet's history. They tell tales of creatures that once roamed the earth, of ecosystems that thrived and perished, and of cataclysmic events that reshaped the world as we know it. These are the dinosaur death pits, mass graves of prehistoric creatures that died together long ago. These sites are scattered across the globe, each one a silent witness to a dramatic event in Earth's history. The bones found here are not just random remains, they are part of a larger puzzle that scientists are striving to piece together. Imagine finding hundreds of dinosaur bones, all jumbled together in one place. It's like stumbling upon a scene from a prehistoric disaster movie. The sheer number of bones, their arrangement, and the types of dinosaurs found together provide crucial clues. Each bone tells a part of the story, and together they paint a picture of a moment frozen in time. It's a mystery that has puzzled scientists for centuries. How did these creatures, some of the largest to ever walk the earth, end up in these mass graves? What forces were at play? Was it a sudden natural disaster, a series of unfortunate events, or something else entirely? The quest to answer these questions drives paleontologists to dig deeper, both literally and figuratively. How did so many dinosaurs die in the same place? Some theories suggest massive floods, volcanic eruptions, or even disease outbreaks. Each theory has its own set of evidence and counter-evidence, making the mystery even more intriguing. The truth is likely a complex interplay of factors, a perfect storm of conditions that led to these mass deaths. These bone beds, as they are sometimes called, are more than just graveyards. They are windows into the past, offering invaluable insights into the lives and deaths of these ancient giants. By studying the bones, scientists can learn about the dinosaurs' diets, their social structures, and even their behaviors. Each bone bed is a chapter in the Earth's history book, waiting to be read. They are time capsules, offering a glimpse into a world ruled by giants. A world where massive herbivores roamed vast plains and fearsome predators stalked their prey. The landscapes have changed dramatically since then, but the bones remain as a testament to the life that once flourished here. These time capsules help us understand not just the dinosaurs but the environment they lived in. Each bone, each tooth, each footprint tells a story of survival, of struggle, and of adaptation. These fossils are not just remnants of the past, they are clues that help us piece together the puzzle of Earth's history. By examining these clues, scientists can reconstruct ancient ecosystems and understand how life on Earth has evolved over millions of years. A story of life, death, and the powerful forces that shaped our planet millions of years ago. These forces, whether they were sudden cataclysms or gradual changes, have left their mark on the Earth. By studying these marks, we not only learn about the past but also gain insights into the future. The story of the dinosaur death pits is a reminder of the ever-changing nature of our planet and the mysteries that still lie beneath its surface. The discovery of dinosaur death pits was a turning point in our understanding of prehistory. One of the earliest discoveries was made in the 1800s. It was in Belgium, in a coal mine. Miners found something astonishing: hundreds of iguanodon bones. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It was clear that these dinosaurs hadn't died peacefully. Something catastrophic had happened. This sparked a wave of exploration, with scientists eager to uncover more of these prehistoric graveyards. In the heart of Utah, USA, lies a place called the Cleveland Lloyd Dinosaur Quarry. It's a Jurassic jigsaw puzzle with over 15,000 bones from different dinosaurs. The most common dinosaur found here is Allosaurus, a fierce predator. But here's the curious thing: there are far more predator bones than prey bones. This unusual ratio has puzzled scientists for decades. What could have lured so many Allosaurus to their deaths? It remains one of the biggest mysteries of Cleveland Lloyd. Half a world away in China, the Liaoning fossil beds paint a very different picture of dinosaur life. This site is famous for its exquisitely preserved fossils, some with feathers still intact. Imagine a dinosaur fossil so well preserved that you can see the delicate imprints of feathers. That's what Liaoning offers, a glimpse into the evolution of birds. The dinosaurs here, like the four-winged Microraptor, were buried quickly, possibly by volcanic ash. This rapid burial preserved incredible details, revolutionizing our understanding of dinosaur evolution. Section 5. Ghost Ranch. a Coelophysis gathering place. New Mexico's Ghost Ranch is home to another remarkable death pit. Here, hundreds of Coelophysis skeletons lay buried together. These slender, agile dinosaurs lived during the late Triassic period. They were small, only about 3 meters long, but they were swift hunters. The sheer number of Coelophysis fossils at Ghost Ranch suggests they may have lived in large social groups. But why did so many die together? Some scientists believe a flash flood may have swept them away, while others suggest they gathered around a shrinking waterhole during a drought. Section 6. Deadly Traps. What killed the dinosaurs? Dinosaur death pits are fascinating puzzles, and scientists have come up with many theories to explain them. These pits, often filled with the remains of multiple dinosaurs, present a unique challenge to paleontologists. Each bone, each fossil tells a part of the story, but the full picture remains elusive. Were these dinosaurs trapped by sudden floods? Imagine a torrential downpour, rivers bursting their banks, and water sweeping across the land. Dinosaurs, caught off guard, could have been swept away and drowned, their bodies later settling in these pits. Did volcanoes erupt and bury them in ash? Volcanic activity was rampant during the age of dinosaurs. Massive eruptions could have spewed ash and lava, covering vast areas and suffocating any life in its path. The ash would settle, preserving the remains of these majestic creatures. Or were they poisoned by toxic gases released from the earth? Geothermal vents and volcanic areas often release deadly gases. Dinosaurs, unaware of the danger, might have wandered into these areas only to be overcome by the toxic fumes. Their bodies would then be left to decay in these natural traps. Another theory suggests that some death pits were actually predator traps. In the harsh world of the Mesozoic era, predators were always on the hunt. A muddy pit could become a deadly trap for both prey and predator. Imagine a muddy pit where unwary dinosaurs became stuck. The more they struggled, the deeper they sank. These pits would become a graveyard for those unfortunate enough to wander into them. Predators would be drawn to the easy prey, only to become trapped themselves. The cycle of life and death played out in these treacherous landscapes, leaving behind a fossilized record of their struggles. These are just some of the explanations scientists are investigating. Each theory provides a piece of the puzzle, but the complete story remains just out of reach. The work of paleontologists is like that of detectives, piecing together clues from millions of years ago. The truth, as with most mysteries of the past, is likely a combination of factors. The world of the dinosaurs was complex and ever-changing. By studying these death pits, we gain a glimpse into that ancient world, understanding not just how they lived, but also how they died. Section 7. Clues from the Rocks, Unraveling the Mystery. To solve the mysteries of dinosaur death pits, scientists use many tools. They study the rocks surrounding the fossils, looking for clues about the environment. Sediment analysis can reveal if the dinosaurs were buried by water, wind, or volcanic ash. Chemical analysis of the bones and teeth can provide information about the dinosaurs' diet and health. By piecing together all these clues, scientists can begin to reconstruct the events that led to the dinosaurs' demise. Section 8. Ancient Catastrophes, Lessons from the Past. Dinosaur death pits are not just about the distant past, they can also teach us about the power of nature and the fragility of life. These mass graves are stark reminders of the catastrophic events that have shaped our planet throughout history. By studying these past events, we can learn about the potential for similar catastrophes in the future. Understanding the past can help us prepare for the future. Section 9. Dinosaur Death Pits, Windows to a Lost World. Dinosaur death pits are more than just mass graves, they are windows to a lost world. These sites, often found in remote and arid regions, hold the remains of creatures that once roamed the earth. The bones, preserved for millions of years, offer invaluable insights into the past. They offer a glimpse into the lives and deaths of creatures that walked the earth millions of years ago. By examining the arrangement of bones and the surrounding sediment, scientists can reconstruct ancient ecosystems and understand the environmental conditions that existed at the time. Each bone tells a story. The wear and tear on the bones can reveal how these creatures lived, what they ate, and even how they died. For instance, bite marks on bones can indicate predation or scavenging, while healed fractures can show evidence of survival after injury. Each skull, each tooth, each footprint is a piece of a puzzle. These fossils help paleontologists piece together the complex puzzle of Earth's history. Footprints, for example, can reveal the behavior of dinosaurs, such as whether they traveled in herds or hunted alone. By studying these sites, we come closer to understanding the history of life on Earth and our place within it. The meticulous work of paleontologists, who spend countless hours in the field and lab, is crucial for uncovering these ancient secrets. These ancient graveyards remind us of the vastness of time and the incredible diversity of life that has existed on our planet. They serve as a poignant reminder of the ever-changing nature of life on Earth and the importance of preserving our natural history for future generations.